Well, hello everybody, I'm Paul. Welcome to the channel. It's a 4th of July water hunt, looks like, in this beach. I've never hunted here before, so I'm going to try it out, see what it's up. So, taking you along. Thanks for coming. Well guys, here's a little view of our quiet little park. It's not so quiet today. Lots of people. Lots of deposits being made, I'm sure. Okay guys, first find of the day. Got a penny. That's typical. Got a little copper doodah. And just got tons of pop tops so far. Just annoying so far, guys. Lots of gray matter today, guys. Well, at least we're going in the right direction, but still not silver, 70, so at least it's a dime, not a penny. Well guys, just found an 84 dime, and who in the world would think you would find a dime here? I mean, there's no beach around, that's the shoreline, I mean, a couple feet of water. An 84 dime. It's amazing. Plus lots of junk. Hey guys, working out in the water here and found this. It's an earring. Probably no good, but cool find. Heavy anyhow. Well guys, I guess I can't show you in the water, but it wasn't. Anyway, I had to dig to China for this one. I lost track of the number of scoops. Is that a fish or something? I can't really, the screen's got a lot of glare. I don't know what the heck it is. Almost looks like a fish or something. I don't know. It's heavy as all get out. I don't want to talk about it too much. A lot of people around here. And I think it's got a mark. Nice. Right there. 10K. Sweet! Thank you, Junior. Old Max got him well trained, so very nice. What the heck this is? It's got design. See? That's the back of it. Any ideas? Let me know in the comments. Thank you. Hey guys, ring number 2 for today. But yeah, not quite as nice as the first one, unfortunately. So, oh well, still fun to see in the scoop. On to the next, guys. My arms are just getting fried. I put on suntan lotion, but it's like still. So I'm gonna be calling it a day here pretty soon. I'll show you a heads up of the beach.